Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, after a long time, we're finally going to be installing some wind deflectors on the Lexus IS200. And yeah, like I said, it's been quite a while since we last worked on this car, so let's make this a quick one. Hopefully everything works out well, and let's get to the unboxing. Got the box here, open it up. Oh, come on. Oh, it's not coming out. There we go. Right, so here we have the rare wind deflectors. So as you can tell, these are the ones that stick over the window. You can tell by the tape, but these aren't the ones that actually you tuck inside the inserts. But yeah, I mean, first impressions, I really like how these look. It's got a nice shade of, it's a very nice dark shade of black. And yeah, I mean, I don't really have much to say apart from, yeah, I like it. And you know, it comes with tape on all the edges, pretty good 3M tape. Now let's see how the front wind deflectors look. Here we have the front wind deflector for both front doors, and again, as you can tell, it came with double-sided tape. And yeah, again, not much to say. The material just feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap. The color is nice. It is transparent, but it's a very dark shade, which again, I'm a huge fan of that. It also came with some cleaning wipes. Let me show you guys. Here we got the wipes. These came free with the wind deflectors, and yeah, other than that, they're pretty good, and these were the cheapest ones I could find on eBay. You can find these on eBay yourself. Just type out Lexus IS200 wind deflectors. Make a start, get the windows cleaned, and finally get them on. Right, before we install the wind deflectors, I'm just going to quickly jump out of the car because she's been sat for quite a while. So yeah, let's get her jump started. Right, cold start time, let's see how she sounds. Bloody hell. But yeah, now that I got her started, I'm going to park the Golf back up and continue the video. Right, so what you guys want to do, you want to get your alcohol wipes or any cleaning product, ideally alcohol, and just give the borders a good clean, because this is where the stickiness, the double-sided tape, is where it's going to come in contact with. Right, so we've got the wind deflector here, and I've taken the double-sided tape off, and yeah, pretty simple now. We just stick it on, make sure we align it nice and properly, and hopefully it will look good. So let's try this out. Right, so we've got it in. Now just push firmly the wind deflector so it's nice and stuck. There we have it, that's one wind deflector done. And what you guys want to do now is repeat the same process across all 4 windows, and then you can get a final look.
It's like we getting up to this violence, we barely be surviving. My little bro told me that he trying, living with this pain but still smiling. Inside he dying, out trying to reach for faith in this life full of sin. Everybody trying to find their way. On this path, if I ever go share, would you judge or love me? My point of tears when you cry. Find me love, even distance ain't a reason that we cannot feel close. Different regions, same.
As you guys can see, we finally put the brand new wind deflectors on, and I gotta say, it looks absolutely sick. I absolutely love how they look. And yeah, I mean, it was super easy to install, like compared to the ones you're gonna Golf, because these ones, we literally, all you do, you just clean the edges and you stick them on. It's so easy to put on, and I highly recommend them. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think they look absolutely awesome. Let me show you from a few different angles. But yeah, here's an angle from the front, how it looks from the front, and I'll show you guys a bit more close up so you can see. And yeah, it looks super duper clean. It doesn't look too out of place. It doesn't look crazy. I think it complements the car really well. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please do leave any suggestions in the comments for any mods for the future. Leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.